In today's video, we are going to learn about the facts and dimensions in the subject of data warehouse and data mining. As I said in the previous video, I'll be explaining about facts, dimensions, fact tables, types of facts and all in the next video. So let's see now. First, what do you mean by facts? Numerical measures or quantities by which we can analyze the relationship between the dimensions. So whatever the data that we are having in our data warehouse, the data has dimensions, right? So facts are nothing but the numerical measures or quantities, you can say the numerical values, through which we can analyze the relationship between the dimensions. We'll have different dimensions. We'll have dimensions like measures and measures, dimension, attributes. We'll have some dimensions, right? So the relationship between those dimensions can be analyzed with the help of the numerical measures, okay? And those numerical measures are nothing but the facts, okay? Done. Next, dimension. What do you mean by dimensions? Dimensions are nothing but collection of logically related attributes which are used for modeling the data. I explained about what data modeling is in the previous video, right? So here dimensions means collection of logically related attribute. Logically related attribute, you will be collecting all the logically related attributes. Which kind of attributes? Which are used for modeling the data. Okay, for modeling the data, whichever attributes you are using, all those attributes, logically related attributes, are collected together and they are called as the dimensions. Okay, done. Next, what do you mean by fact table now? You'll have, as I said, you'll have multi-dimensional data. As I said here, the data which you are having in your data warehouse has many dimensions. So the relationships between those multi-dimensional data are expressed in form of fact table. Okay, the relationships between the multi-dimensional data are expressed in the form of fact tables and we call them as fact tables. Okay, now what do you mean by dimension table? See, tables related to each dimension. Again, I'm telling you, you'll have multi-dimensional, right? Multi-dimensions means more than one dimension. So for each dimension, you will be constructing a table, and that table will help you in describing the dimension further. Further, any additional information if you want to describe about that particular dimension, you can do that with the help of dimension table. Okay, tables related to each dimension, and that will help you in describing a dimension further. Okay, got it? So that is about the dimension table. Done. Now, types of facts. So we have total of 3 types of facts. First one is the additive fact. What do you mean by additive fact? Means among all the facts we have, this is the most flexible one. This is the most flexible and also the most useful one among all the facts we have. Why? Because you can sum this, S-U-M. You can sum this additive facts even across any other dimensions associated with the fact table. What is the definition of fact table? Relationships between multi-dimensional data, right? So you'll have so many dimensions there. So in additive facts, you can, like, one fact, suppose this is the dimension, let us suppose. Okay, this is dimension D1 and D2, let us take. So here you have some facts, F1, F2, F3 and so on. Here you have some facts. So you can sum these facts with these facts. So across different dimensions also you can go. Summed across any of the dimensions associated with the fact table. So in your fact table, the facts which can be summed up with any of the dimension, those facts will come under the additive facts. Okay, any. You don't have any restrictions here. Here in semi-additive facts, what happens? They can be summed across only some, only few, among few dimensions only you can perform the sum. Okay, so those kind of facts are called as the semi-additive facts. You can sum them up only across few dimensions. Okay, and coming to non-additive facts. So what do you mean by non-additive facts? Means they cannot be summed up across any of the dimensions. So these dimension facts will be in here only. This dimension facts will be here only. You cannot sum them up. Okay, none. You cannot sum up any facts with the other dimensions. Okay, in additive facts, you can sum up any facts. Here only few facts. Here you cannot sum up any facts. Okay, so this is about the type of facts. Okay, and we have one more fact table, which is nothing but the factless fact table. You might be like thinking fact table itself contains facts, then what is the meaning of a factless fact table? See, factless fact table will not have any facts in it. You will not have any facts. Okay, so if it is not having fact, what does it contain? It will contain the dimensional keys. It contains the dimensional keys. Okay, dimensional keys, and it will capture the events that happen only at the information level, but not the information included in the calculation level. Calculation level in the sense analysis, aggregation, all these information will not be involved. It will contain only information related to analysis. It will not contain calculation related information. Okay, so that is about the factless fact table. It will not have facts. It will have dimensional keys. It will not have calculations. It will have analysis information only. It will not have calculation information. Okay, what it does not have? It does not have facts and it does not have calculation information. It has only dimensional keys and analysis related information. Okay, very simple. Now, so we have two types of fact tables actually. Describing the fact tables which describe the events, not fact tables, factless fact tables. So in this category we have two, which will describe the events and which will describe the conditions. Okay, which will describe the events and which will describe the condition. Okay, and along with the dimensional keys and analysis information, it will also have many to many relationships, but not numeric facts. Numeric facts will not be there. It will not have facts, but it will have the relationships, it will have the dimension keys, it will have the analysis related information. It will not have facts and it will not have calculation information. Okay, we have two types, the factless fact tables which describe the events and the factless fact table which describe the condition. Okay, and the examples are tracking student attendance, tracking insurance related accident events. So these things will come under the example of this factless fact table. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next video we'll be discussing about the OLAP cube and what are the operations, OLAP operations, and also what do you mean by ROLAP, HOLAP, hybrid, and all those things we'll be discussing in the next coming video. So stay tuned to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and also share with your friends so that it will be useful for your friends as well. So that's all for this video. Let's meet up soon in the next coming video. If you're still having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to clarify all your doubts, and don't forget to like the video. So let's meet up soon in the next coming video.